If you use a conventional septic system, do you know what happens after you flush? After you flush the toilet, take a shower, or use a faucet, the water and waste flow to your septic tank, an enclosed concrete or plastic container buried underground. Inside the tank, heavy solids sink to the bottom, and grease or oils rise to the top. Next, the water leaves the tank through a pipe called the outlet, which lets water flow out while keeping solids and other materials trapped inside the tank to be pumped out later. Then, the filtered water flows into a series of buried, perforated pipes called the drain field, laid over a special gravel mix that lets water slowly soak into the ground. Here, beneficial microbes and the soil help trap and break down harmful bacteria and other pollutants. So, do your part to help protect your property and our community by keeping your septic system healthy. Water connects us all. Mount Pleasant Waterworks.